Hi everybody, I'm at the Monument Peak Trailhead. It's on the Big Laguna Trail on Mount Laguna, and it's about 54 degrees out, so it's pretty cool. We've had some rains overnight, and the wind's going pretty well. So trailhead is right up here. We're gonna head on up, and hopefully the cloud cover will burn off by the time we get to the peak, because we should be presented with a wonderful view of the insatiable desert. Okay, we made it up to the top of Monument Peak. It's a nice little hike. It's a beautiful view of the surrounding area through Anza Borrego. You can see off to Salton Sea and Villager Peak. Beyond, looks like there's snow dusting on the mountains. It's covered in clouds right now. We got some dark clouds coming up behind us, but I think we're free from the rain. We do have cell towers looming over us, and it is really, really windy. So we're gonna soak in the view a little bit. It's pretty windy, so we're gonna head back down soon. Maybe even a snack at a lower elevation, we'll see. But getting ready to head back down.